A major shift is taking place in civil engineering. That shift is digital. Construction firms around the globe are racing to unlock the possibilities and solutions that cutting-edge tech can offer. And they're looking for engineers with the skill to turn know-how into right now. The Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering has launched a program to help students get ahead of the pack. The Specialization in Digitalization of Urban Infrastructure, the first of its kind in Singapore. This specialization provides a deep dive into the latest digital tools for civil engineering. You'll learn how to master vast amounts of data, collecting information and turning it into better, more efficient decisions. Explore how we make use of tomorrow's tools to address today's engineering problems. You'll get access to new technologies that transform every stage of construction, from virtual design to automated construction to smart sensors that can predict maintenance problems after construction. With electives that cover both breadth and depth, this specialization will put you at the cutting edge. The digital wave is happening right now. Why ride it when you can lead it?